All right, so here I am on your website, and this app is really handy. It is a Chrome extension, as you can see here. Let me see here. If you go to usebubbles.com, again, it's of course it's used by major companies to communicate what they want on the website. So the way you use it is first you install it as a Chrome extension here, and then you go here to pin it so it shows up here. You're going to want it to show up. And then let's say you go to your website, right? And you want to basically, if you want to take a full capture of the full page, you click this. If you just want to take a picture of what's in front of you, okay, you could just leave it like this. I like to do the full screen. So in this scenario, I would just click this and it records the whole full screen. It'll scroll down, give it a minute. And this is a great way, of course, for clients to communicate with designers what they want, how to, what they want change, and to have the actual, you know, a screen in front of you. So it'll create a page like this, and then you can actually create like different lists or what they call spaces. We created one here for you as a client. So I'll put it into the space. So that's where if you have like different websites and stuff, you can create different spaces and then put those images and share that whole list. So then people can see all the different projects that are in there. But in this case, I'm just going to scroll down. So um, let's say I want to share this edit with a team of people. You actually can type their email in here. So let's say Gilbert is working with you on this. You type in Gilbert at gp.marketing, or Maria, or the one that all of us get is production at gp.marketing. We all get notifications. I think once you add them into your um, shared list, whenever you create a new project, you'll see all the emails here that you can add people to access this, or you can just send them this link right here in an email and then they can join. Okay. So in this situation, let's say you want to change this text. You would just click on it like this, and you can add your followers. You can add followers to different comments. And here you could say, please write this, and then, in quotes, blah, 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 blah. Okay. And then you can share stuff only with certain followers so they see that post, or you can just share the whole project to that group, which is what I prefer to do. And then you can post it like that. Okay. It will add it in kind of a linear vertical way. Like, so if I add something here, um, I want to it'll then add it here. If I add something above, it'll add it in between. So be aware of that. Okay. So this is a great way to communicate. Um, and every time, again, uh, you can screenshot a page, add the comments. You can even add videos. So let's say I want to come here and I want to comment, but I want a video. I could start the screen recording. Okay. And basically here, gotta wait. Okay. And so now I can kind of like articulate my thoughts, blah, 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 have a whole conversation on this. Okay. And then after I'm done, I could pause it. And after I'm done, I hit this and it'll add the screen recording. If I want to only contact certain followers, I could do that here. But again, if I've added everyone to this page, they will see everything. Or if I send them this link to join this, okay, it'll show you here how many people have viewed it. This is really a great app. Makes it a lot easier to work on web pages and to be efficient. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.